equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the repair of a Dell Inspiron laptop, specifically addressing motherboard issues and battery replacement. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This is crucial for safety. Next, we'll need to remove the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws holding the panel in place. Keep these screws in a safe spot, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips. With the panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. If you notice any, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. If you suspect it's faulty, check for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always a good idea to get a second opinion if you're unsure. To replace the motherboard, you'll need to disconnect all cables attached to it. Carefully note where each cable connects, as this will make reassembly easier. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motherboard. Once it's free, gently lift it out. Before installing the new motherboard, take a moment to clean the area where it will sit. Use isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth to wipe down the surface. This ensures a good connection and helps prevent future issues. Now, place the new motherboard into position and secure it with screws. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Next, let's move on to the battery replacement. Take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the battery bay. Press down firmly until it clicks into place. Reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it snaps into place. Finally, screw the back panel in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Now, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should see the Dell logo appear. Before you finish, remember to quote before repair if you're considering professional help. It's always wise to know the costs upfront. And there you have it. Your Dell Inspiron is now repaired and ready for use. Enjoy your day. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.